Good evening, friends. My name is Ketan Agarwal. I'm a financial advisor. On this channel, I do short-term analysis and long-term analysis of individual stocks and indices so that you can take your buy or sell decision. Today, we are going to see what to do with Nifty at the current price level, whether to buy or sell. So before we move forward with the analysis, I would request you to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any informative video like this. Let's start. So here you can see this is a chart of Nifty 50 index, and as you people must be knowing, like Nifty is going up from after demonetization, it is just going up straight up and up, and there's no major correction happened. Even like till now, no major correction happened, and Nifty has already moved like 1500, 1600 points after demonetization. That will like in just one year of time, right? So what is going to happen with the Nifty? Like you can see, like on a daily basis, Nifty is not able to go up in last few days. You can see Nifty is struggling after election. Nifty sort up, and then after that it is just struggling to go up. It's not able to go up, nor neither it is coming down. Okay. So what to do at the current level? Whether to buy or sell, or what, or we should wait? What to do? And because of this Nifty, we are not able to decide what to do even with the equities, whether to buy equity or not to buy equity, whether to enter market or not enter market. We're not able to understand. There's so much of confusion in the market, and for new investors it is a very difficult period of time, because suppose if they are entering into stock market now and they take buy and they don't understand that Nifty, it is playing at all time high and it is struggling to move up from here, and they just end up buying. Suppose they're investing 1 lakh rupees tomorrow, and market can fall, like major correction can happen anytime, and they might like end up losing like maybe 10% of their capital, 15% of their capital, and they will think that the moment they entered the market and Nifty fell, and they made a huge loss in the market, so their expense might not be very good. So this video will help them to understand that whether this is the point of time, whether if you're entering, you're investing fresh in the market, you may incur loss, because the Nifty is at very high level and it is struggling to go up from here. And so if anyone trying to invest now in the stock market, they're planning to put to fresh investment in the stock market, then I would suggest to go with SIP mode. Don't put lump sum amount like 5 lakh, 10 lakhs one shot. Do slowly, like 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 every month if you're able to do, or 20,000, 10,000, whatever it is, like whatever you're capable of investing, do in SIP mode. Avoid doing lump sum investment right now. So we'll see, now we are going to see Nifty chart. What is going to happen with the Nifty, whether it is going to go up or down. So here if you see clearly Nifty, you can see if you have drawn a channel, and there's a Bollinger Band here and few trend lines have drawn. So here if you can see, it is clearly Nifty is going up, and it has gone up from, you can see from here straight, it has gone up from 9,000 level after demonetization. It has gone straight up. There is no major correction happened till now. So what I am expecting, this can be a major correction level if at all it happens. If at all it happens, not necessarily. This can be a major level where correction, if major correction happens, this level we have to watch. So let's see the short term analysis, like what is going to happen with the Nifty. So here if you can see, if you see from here, from this line, this was a major resistance area, and it fell, and again it went up, again it fell, and finally it broke somewhere here and went up, again it came down, then this resistance area became the support area, market went up, again came down, again went up. Now if you see, this was the previous high somewhere here it was a previous high, and then market like broke yesterday and day yesterday with the previous high, and again it is trying to come down. So you can see clearly, like buyers are struggling at this level. If you see last time what happened, When price was here, it fell big, like from 10,478 it came down straight to 4,170, around 350 points straight it fell from there. Again it recovered, and again it is slowly it is coming down. If you see, like from last 2 days, if you notice, so around 2 o'clock market will fall, like if you see here, see, this is what happened today. Market was going up, it was like went up market from here, from 489 it went up to 400, uh, 520, 10,520 it went, around 40, around 40 50 points it went up, not exactly 40 around 30 35 points it went up, and then straight it fell from like 530, it straight fell to 10,467, around 60 points it fell from the top. Then this is today's scanner. You can see the time here around 2:30. This is again happened yesterday around same time around 2:30. There was a big fall from 10,532 to again same around 25 plus 30. There around 55 points yesterday. There was a big fall. On 26th, if you see around 2:30, there was a big up. So this time, if you see in the chart, like around 2 to 3 is a major time. At that time, like something drastic happens, whether market sorts goes up or it comes down big. Okay, and if you see here also somewhere here, you see 2:30. 2:30 is the time to watch in the market. I don't know why it is, but it is. If you see here, market went up big. Around 1:30, market fell, right? So this 2:30 is a very, here you can see 2:30 only market fell. Around 1:30 market shot up. Around 2:30 market fell big. Starting from 1:30 to 2:30. Again 2:30 market fell big. So you need to watch timing in the market. Like what is, you don't have, like suppose any position is running, like you have taken a call option in Nifty or futures, you have taken a buy futures, you have taken long position in a Nifty, then you should watch at that level what is going to happen. You might end up losing a very big amount. And suppose if you're you're long in like Nifty, you want, or you want to take a fresh position, then wait for around 2 to 3. At that time you might get a very good price in Nifty, not only in Nifty, also in equities, because that time market falls and next day if it goes up for some reason, then you might, like it will be very easy for you to make profit, because this is time, like today market fell around 2:30, all stocks prices came down, so this time can be very good time to buy equities or Nifty. So what I was trying to, back to our analysis, what I was trying to say, we'll go back to day chart. So here what is my expectation here? Market has already created a new high here. Before it was here, now it has already created a new high, and now you clearly you can see, if you see here, buyers push the market up, seller brought it down, buyer pushed again, but while closing it again came down. So you can see clearly there are lots of selling pressure happening here. So my expectation is market can correct and can come somewhere till here 110-20 points down. It can happen in 2 days, or it can happen even in a single day. Next level to watch is around here middle band. Again from here around 50 points down, and then next level can be around 10,167. These are the three important level what I feel in the current point of view. If you, according to the current chart, again according to the current trend, because Nifty is in uptrend but correction will come. So if correction is happening, then these two are actually the major trend line, like where I've drawn. These two are the major area. From here market can recover and go up if market is strong enough, but I think market is not very strong now. So I think this can be the level where market can come down to. And again we have to wait and watch whether market is running up again or not. Again, to keep in mind, this is a Jan month will start very soon, and then Feb is a month where budget will come. So before budget, last time after budget market went up, and after that so many things happen, GST happen, and this type budget can be very different because compared to the last time, because we need to keep in mind that GST collection is falling month after month, month after month. So G- this budget is definitely going to be a very different budget compared to the past one, right? So market will try to prepare itself for the budget of 2018 budget, which will come in the month of February, right? Market will try to prepare itself for any drastic event. It will try to prepare itself, right? So if preparation will start ahead, like 1 month or 2 months ahead will start off, obviously. So I think if market is trying to prepare itself for the budget 2018, then market will fall. It's not going to go up. There is no chance that market will go up or should go up from this level, because if market falls and it remains there, then budget is not very good for the from investors point of view. Then market has already corrected itself according to the budget, and if it is not coming down now and something happens, then market is going to fall big at that time. This is better if market is falling now and something good falling now, and something bad happens, then market will not fall. If something good happens, then market obviously going to sort up. So avoid, what I might recommend, don't buy or sell Nifty, just avoid trading in Nifty right now. And if you want to take a chance, like you can't stop yourself from trading, then whenever market makes a new high or trading at like around 10,500 level, then you can take a put instead of taking a call. You can go with a put, because I'm expecting market will fall. Like, again, your view point of view might be different. This is my personal point of view. So here, if you can see, this is a true level what I'm thinking. Even if you see here, this indicators RSI and stochastic, both are in like overbought level. It is showing clearly it is overbought. Nifty is overbought, and it has to come down. You can see here there are huge sales volume are happening, and buy volumes are so small compared to sales volume. When people are selling, they're selling big, but buyers are very small. Now if you see small 15 minutes candle or 5 minutes candle, you see here in this level, if you see, there's a big fight between bull and bear. There was a, but bull gave up and market came down again. There's a fight between bull and bear. Bull was trying to push up, and it pushed up the market and it went up, but again bear took the control of the market. Right here it happened, here it happened at this level, 2 3 days back on 26th. Again at this price level, if you say, there was a fight between bull and bear. Bull went up, took the market up, but bear took the control of the market from here. So this is a level where bulls are trying to stop the market, to like trying very hard so that market should not fall. At this level they were trying. You can see here. No, now one thing to notice here. This was a very strong level, and market has already closed below that price level. Market has already closed today below the very strong support area. So tomorrow can be a very tricky day, because market is already closed below the support level. So there might be a fall till here. In short term I'm talking, there can be easily fall of around 40 to 45 points. You can see till here, because crucial support, like short term support level, is already broken, right? So my suggestion is, be very careful with Nifty. Don't go with long, go with short at high level. Keep budget in mind, and then accordingly you need to trade in the market. So if you see a high till here or something tomorrow around 10,500, just put can be taken, what I feel. You can see again middle band. If you see here moving average, the inday candle, this is like 25 days and 50 days moving up, both are around the same price, and Nifty is trading so much above the moving average. Moving average is around 170 points down from the current point. Yeah, right, 10,300. Here if you see line which are have drawn around 10,050 and middle band is around 10,300. So this is the level it is showing. It Nifty should come somewhere here. It has to come somewhere here, and if it is breaking, then this can be the level. So we need to watch, because this is the level again market will definitely going to come and touch, and then it will decide. If buyers are strong, economy is good, then it will put up. Otherwise it is going to come down around say till here. Okay, so this is my personal study of Nifty, and here if you see call option chain of Nifty. Okay, if you see here, you can see so many 12 lakhs of change in open interest at 10,300 level. Again 10,300 same, and so many people are betting on that 12 lakh people are betting 10,300 level, whereas if you see on the long side, 5 lakh like 10,000 7 lakh people are betting for 10,300, and 10,500 5 lakh people are betting for it, right? And here sellers are more. If you see of change in open interest, more and more people are bearish on NIF index now. So you need to watch open interest also. More and more people are going with the put option. So this is what option chain is showing. So this was my personal study. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like icon. You can share your views on the comment below. And please subscribe so that you do not miss any important videos like this. Thank you. Bye. See you again.